Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment below. What's your goal for making money online? Now, listen carefully. I made my first $1 online, but I almost quit right before it happened. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, the mistakes that almost stopped me, and at the end, I'll give you the most in-demand skills you need to start making money online. So don't skip. This might change everything. A few weeks ago, I had nothing. No money, no experience, no idea where to start. I spent hours watching videos about making money online, but I never actually did anything. Until one day, I told myself, I don't need to be perfect, I just need to start. But here's the truth. Most people don't fail because it's hard. They fail because they make these mistakes. First, they keep watching but never start. They wait for the perfect moment, but it never comes. Second, they try too many things at once. One day dropshipping, next day crypto, then YouTube. No focus, no results. Third, they quit too early. They post a few times, get no views, and stop. And the biggest mistake? They're not consistent. So I decided to do things differently. I grabbed my phone and started creating simple content. Nothing special, just short videos. At first, nothing happened. 0 views, 2 views, maybe 10. But I didn't stop. Every single day, I showed up. I learned, I improved. Then one day, I checked my account, and I saw it. $1. Just $1. But it felt like I made $1,000. That $1 changed everything. Not because of the money, but because it was proof. Proof that this actually works. Proof that anyone can do it if they don't quit. Now, if you stayed until here are the most important skills you need to start making money online. Content creation, video editing, and copywriting. If you master just one of these, you can make way more than $1, 100%. So this is your sign. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. And remember, your first $1 is waiting for you.